quick update on the Mini Cooper. After a while, I ended up changing the timing chain because it started rattling. Not as bad, but I wasn't comfortable. So we compare them side by side, the new one and the old one. The old one was significantly stretched, so after putting a new timing chain, perfect, quiet. As for the 458 Spider Ferrari, every day it's been sitting outside on the heat, and the AC still blows really cold. So I guess Tyler is coming today to pick it up and ship it somewhere where he needs to ship it. So today it's gonna be a lot of diagnosis, which to me they're boring to watch. I already diagnosed the Z4 here. It has a huge battery drain. Turned out to be the general module, waiting for the customer to respond. The X5 on top, it's gonna get a brand new engine. It's the N63. It's knocking really bad, so it's been approved. Let's go here. This is a diesel engine. It dies while driving. John scanned it over there, and looks like it has a code for the main relay, so we'll change that and see. This one here has a error message in the dash saying that the second row is not locked into place, so that's going to take some time to diagnose. Have to check all the wiring between the seat and the module. You can take a lucky guess what's wrong with this. It's a convertible, so I guess the convertible doesn't work. N63, another lucky guess. Brand new engine sitting right there for it. So the 535 needs a low pressure fuel sensor. It's underneath the intake. Easy fix. Then here it's trying to figure out why there's not enough pressure on the washer nozzles. And then last on the Mercedes there, I think it's going to be the steering column module, because the key, you put the key on, it's not coming on. So it's very common on the Mercedes. Also, we have a new guy started. Mason, want to say hi to the viewers?
Hey, how's it going? My name is Mason. Came from BMW, excited to be here and learn some new stuff.
Glad to have you, man.
Yeah, glad to be here.
This one has an electrical issue. Basically, the second seat, the second row, it's saying it's unlocked, even though it's locked in place. So we need to trace the wires or whatever the hell is wrong with it. It's not fun. Basically, we're not going to film anything specific today. You're just going to see pretty much how my day goes, how many times I get interrupted between working from one car to another. This shit is off and broken. I guess we can just drill it and put a rivet in there. This one, the steering column module. It's not very decent. So what happened is the customer changed the battery. After they replaced the battery, the car never started. As you can see, he's packed to leave town. He's moving somewhere else. That didn't happen. Never, ever, ever. That's a $50 battery. Okay, what I think I'm gonna do on this, it's a shot in the dark. I'm gonna do a battery reset Meaning that we're gonna jump.
Oh, this lady called
You
this-
again? Sorry.
Mini Cooper that has like a wheel well thing
Yes.
falling off. Okay, have fun.
Uh-huh.
I'll be back.
I sure you will. Okay. Next. What is that?
Hey Johnny,
Yo! There you go. Okay, yeah, just I'll deal with it.
okay.
If you wanna do that low pressure
Yeah,
sensor.
I'll move these around.
Yeah, just
I'll just do that. So this one's gonna be a what, pin by pin for
probably. Yeah.
me? Yeah.
Turn the key on, please. No, ease. That's what I'm doing. Might be a bad deal.
Yeah.
I'm just making sure I got all the powers in, so now I'm gonna check the fuses, make sure they're okay, and then order the steering lock thingy. I hate changing those. I've done it before, and I said never again, and here I am. What's wrong with me? Thank you.
Whatever. But I mixed up the empty envelopes. Do you think it'd be okay if I sent LKQs in the Evergy envelope?
So I just step away for a second. I need to do a couple estimates and call the customers real quick. What did you do?
It was the. I thought it dropped on the a panel down there, but it's not on it. I'll double check it, but
Which one was it?
it was this one.
You were going in?
I was coming out.
So.
I probably missed it somewhere.
Are you even drinking NOS today?
I drank one today. That's probably why I'm losing my focus. I just had one knob. I need two, Johnny.
It's like a core. It's like a deposit. So pretty much the key. I gotta pay.
Yeah. I thought it was I have a problem. Show me
Yep. Tiny little thing.
Be in my shoes, having like 500 cars outside. I'm gonna call the customer because Sophia just left for lunch. She's allowed to have 1 hour lunch. German Motor Works? Yes. Hey Sierra, your car is ready. Just for the oil change. I'm gonna have to put in hold. The other line is ringing real quick. Okay, see ya. Thank you. German Motor Works. So right now we're gonna figure out we have a low pressure fuel code. So we're gonna see what the hell is going on with it. Oh.
Hello.
Well, maybe we could have done a pressure check over there.
You want to do that first?
Yeah. I might have like a micro crack in my finger. It is burning. I better take this hair away from me just in case my wife gets jealous, you know? She's got dark hair, so she's gonna be, what the hell is the blonde one? I don't know. Ah, she's not jealous, I'm just messing around. Come in. Huh? What? Because it's connected, buddy. Oh. Rookie mistake, huh?
Yes. Well, I'm taking this one side off, and I let it. Oh, hello. And when we took it off the first time, that's fine. There's probably 3 inches down in the tank, and now it's right up to the top. So we got this E60 BMW that Ben was putting a fuel pump in. I was supervising him doing it, and I guess I should have paid a little bit closer attention because he didn't get one of the lines plugged all the way in, so it started acting up again, and we were kind of on a wild goose chase, like what in the world is going on with this car. So we pulled it back apart, inspected it again. One of the lines just came out just a little bit, just enough to not run, you know, have really good pressure on the low side, fuel pressure. So Johnny and I we got to have some fun spilling a whole bunch of gas and getting that line back into place. But now it runs great. So make sure your lines are in, Ben. Yeah.
Freaking Ben.
Friggin' Ben.
We're gonna let it slide because he just had a misfortune right now. Unfortunately, his grandpa just passed, so we're gonna let it slide. But we still love him.
Of course we still love him.
So right now, the whole shop it smells like fuel. It's bad in here. So got both doors open, got the fan, and Ben, oh, the air conditioner is going out. So this Q7, customer had it over at the dealership because the air conditioner quit. They told him he needs a AC compressor. So he called, he's like, can you order one? We're like, yes, but we're not gonna order until we make sure that's what the car needs, you know? And long story short, we checked power to the compressor, there's no power to it, so we're gonna make sure what the hell is going on with it. Yes. Work in progress. Oh, there's a customer waiting outside to clear her lights real quick. I heard your voice.
Yes. Came for this.
It's not acting up. Maybe you have the magic touch, I don't know.
It always not worked with me, and it always works for you.
Let's go.
So you fixed it without, I mean, you just farted in the seat and you fixed it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. So the AC would come and go, and then it would go, and then it was gone and gone and gone until it got
It's
here.
ice cold, man.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's been for me.
So is my butt just larger, and then it kind of like busts a fuse somewhere that makes the AC quit?
Probably.
Because what's the difference between your butt in the seat and my butt in the seat where the air works and the air doesn't work?
Probably about 20 pounds difference.
I'm not that. I'm 165. How much are you?
150.
15 pounds is all it takes?
Okay, I'm gonna pull my Ferrari out so we can put this on the locking machine. He's got the magic touch.
So you're gonna hook the other part to my ass and see if the circuit completes here?
Yeah. Well, I guess your ass broke it, so.
Apparently, it has power, so my compressor's shot. So I'm not gonna have air conditioning for Monterey Car Week then.
What's the temperature going to be there?
It depends. If it's cool enough to where I don't need it, then it works. If it's hot enough to where I need it, it doesn't work. It's the worst air conditioning system ever.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I guess you can get me a compressor for when it comes back, huh?
We can, yeah.
All right. Well, thank you, older Hoovian. You are aging like fine wine, may I say. But yes, we're picking up the Ferrari. The air conditioning doesn't work when it's hot. If it's cool outside or it sits in air conditioning, the air conditioning works. So it's the worst AC system ever, and I couldn't get it to do its bad thing in front of Ninja. Left it with him for about a week, and it wouldn't.
Every night, every morning, it's perfectly cold.
But I came to pick it up finally because it's leaving to go on the car trek, and the AC, of course, didn't work. We put it up on the lift, and
Well, the way to go, though. I don't know. Sophie, what's the name on that Mercedes?
I have no idea. It's John. It's old John.
It's a Mercedes. It's got a whole lot of. There's a code in there it's for a linkage for the like an intake runner, I believe, or some sort of a linkage for some runners. And there's a couple sensors that sits under there that, you know, kind of open those runners back and forth. And then there's an EGR code also, and a couple things with the diff stuff in it too.
Okay. That's awesome. So, this was the first car I started this morning, and I got zero progress because I was just interrupted the whole time. So, it's time to go home now. I'm exhausted. I'll do that first thing in the morning. I'll make sure to let everybody know, leave me alone till I figure it out, and then it's electrical. I mean, when you do electrical, you need to concentrate on it. You don't have to have the phone ringing or the guys helping and all that, so I have to focus on it myself. So, but yeah, this is the last car for today. Time to go home. Thanks for watching. Do you guys want to laugh and see what the problem was? Look on the seat right there. I said I give it another 30 seconds before I go home to check the other side real quick. Found a French fry by the micro switch in there, took that off. Seat is fine. Is it working? Works great. One French fry. That's awesome. I'll go home happy.